go mopogore opogore. Kodhi e kaunti ma Kakamega, Laktar Boni Khalwale oyier kaka seneta mar adek mar kaunti mano ma Kakamega. Bang' yudo ombulu mar 249 kendo loyo jal mane girakore godo Laktar Brian Lishenga mar ODM moyudo kwan ombulu 195,192. Boni Khalwale manosebedo seneta mokwongo ma Kakamega higa ma 2013 nyaka 2017. Yiero mokadho notemo laro kom gavana kama noloyo to wang' ni oduogo laro kom seneta mar kaunti no kod otiko mar UDA kama oyude loch. Jadbura mar kaunti ma Kakamega LC Muhanda oyombo kendo kod komno kod kwan ombulu 3,426 kilwe kod Naomi Shiyonga mar DAPK mayudo ombulu ma kwan gi romo 67,351. Lendo makma ogol kod jatend IEBC mochung' ne weche mag yiero kaunti ma Kakamega Joseph Ayata.
Nashukuru wakazi wa Kakamega County kwa kunichagua tano tena. Na pia nashukuru my worthy opponents, pia hawa walijaribu, they fought a good fight. Nashukuru pia my campaign team, walichukua muda mwingi sana kufanya planning. Na mimi nataka kuambia watu wa Kakamega County, asante sana.
We want to go to Parliament, dear Kenyans, to protect IEBC. Yeah. IEBC is very vulnerable, yeah, to the extent that nobody in that law factors in the human nature of a human being. A human being is subject to fatigue. So we are going to tweak the law to make sure that every polling stations, every constituency must have 2 straight polling presiding officers, 2 straight sets of clerks, yes, and 2 straight returning officers at every constituency, yes, and 2 straight returning officers at every county. Correct. The reason being that the officers who will poll should hand over at 5 to officers of IEBC who should then be in charge of tallying.